and C. O lies on the circumference of the big circle. The circumference of the big circle and the two circles intersect at B.
Yes.
And B and C, sorry. A is a point on the small circle such that when extended AB intersects the big circle at D. DO is extended and intersects AC at M.
It's clear, right?
Yes.
So my question, I want you to just identify the theorems that you already have.
There in the diagram,
Yes.
there is angles in the same seg.
You see, you just first classify them according to that one, center, tangent, end. You see, a small circle, they said there is a center. Are you seeing that?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
So it means in the small circle, there's a probability that you are going to use the center theorems, but you have to identify which ones are you going to be using. Right?
Right?
If you check the big circle, we never heard of a center or a radius or a diameter. So in a big circle, we are not going to be talking of center theorems, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then what else are you told?
There's no
Do we have
tangent.
cyclic quads?
Yes.
You see, for you to get cyclic quad, sometimes they don't highlight that there's a cyclic quad, but as long as your circle is passing through at least 4 points, as long as there are at least 4 points on the circumference, it means we would be having theorems of cyclic quad. Is that clear?
Cyclic quad. Yes.
Then, do we have tangents which we are told there?
No.
No. So it means tangent theorems. We don't even want to hear those theorems where we will be talking about tangent, because in this case, we are not even shown the tangent. We are not even told about the tangent. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let us just go let's just mark the angle that we are told there.
Sorry?
We are saying, do we have any angles that we are told in the primary information? Don't worry about the questions. Do we have any angles that we are given?
No.
So it means we are not going to be talking of, for the meantime, because we don't want to go to the questions, we just want to analyze our diagram. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go and analyze. Can we please start with the bigger circle? Can we please start with the bigger circle?
In the bigger circle, there is angles in the same segment.
There are?
Angles in the same segment.
Can you please name them for me?
Where angle C2 is equal to angle D2.
This angle C2 is equal to this angle D2. They are subtended by which chord?
By chord OC. Wait, what?
Which chord is subtending those angles? Is it OC?
Oh, sorry, OB.
Okay.
Wait, what? Yes.
You see it's OB.
Yes.
Okay. What else?
We know that angle C,
Angle C.
that angle C2 and 3 is, no, let's leave that one out. Angle C3 and angle O3 are also
So you are
equal.
saying this angle is equal to angle O3.
O3, yes.
Okay, what's the reason for that?
Angles in the same sec.
Okay. What else?
O, no, angle B3 is equal to O4.
Angle what?
B3,
B3
yes.
is equal to angle.
O4,
Okay, let me try to use. You said this O4, this one
yes.
is equal to,
B3,
okay. You see, okay, that those are some of the things that you have to do. It's clear, né?
yes.
I just highlighted. So when you see a diagram, for you to understand, try to do those things. It's clear, né? Now let
Yes,
us
it is.
go to try and answer the questions. First question, what are they saying? Can you read?
If angle CBO is equal to x, determine three other angles equal to x.
Okay. Can we please go there? Let's mark the angle which they are talking about. They said this angle
CBO.
is this one, right?
C.
Which is angle
Yes.
B2, right?
Yes.
So if you check, they said that angle is equal to x. Determine three other angles which are equal to x. That one is equal to x, which is our B2. Which other angle?
D1
Sorry,
is equal to
D1.
x. Yes.
So you are linking. In other words, you are just going there straight. You are just going to say B2 is equal to D1. What will be the reason for that?
Angles in the same seg.
There are angles in the same segment. So here we are agreeing it's X. Where else?
Can I say I'm not sure with this one?
Which one?
That angle B2 is equal to angle C2.
Which one? B2 is equal to angle C2.
Yes.
Why are you saying that?
Because angle OC is the radius of the small circle as well as OB
Okay. This OB and OC,
is
right?
the radius of the small circle.
Yes.
And therefore angle C2 and B2 are equal because of angles opposite equal sides.
So when you write that, you are going to start from OB equal to
That
OC.
am I not gonna start by stating that in triangle
Yes.
OCB And then,
So we agreed that this is equal to x, that's C2. So we're starting by saying in
yes,
this triangle OBC, right?
yes.
Yes,
Then we state that OC is equal to OB, the reason being the radius of the circle, of the small circle.
yes,
Then we state that therefore B2 is equal to C2, which therefore is equal to x, the reason being angles opposite equal sides.
yes.
Yeah. And then I'm also not sure about this one, but where, oh no, I am sure. I am sure B2, I mean D2 is also equal to x. And
B,
that being D2.
D2 is equal to x.
Yes, because C2 is equal to D2 because of the angles in the same segment. So therefore, it's also equal to x.
Thank you very much. We established that our C2 is equal
X.
to D2 angles in the same segment. So here again is going to be x. Are you seeing
Yes.
that?
Yes, I am.
It's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to the next question.
Right C right angle COB in terms of x. COB is equal to 180 minus 2x.
Why are you saying that?
Because COB is is equal to 180 because of the triangle OCB. In triangle OCB, angle B2 and angle C2 is equal to x.
You see,
So the yes.
so
So the
we are
sum
using,
of that,
so you are going to say in triangle COB. Then you say COB plus B2 plus C2 is equal to 180. Those are angles in a triangle, right?
yes,
Then you conclude, therefore, that angle is equal to 180 degrees minus 2x. It's clear, right?
yes.
But also, can you see that OBDC is a cyclic quad in the big circle?
Sorry?
Can you see that this
O
OBDC is a cyclic quad
in the big circle,
in
yes.
the big circle?
Yes.
And the angle COB is interior and also opposite to angle CDB. Are you seeing that?
No.
We are saying, let me try to draw the shape. We are saying if you check from C there, right? Let me choose not black. Let me choose red. We are saying we are having a cyclic quad. We are seeing C to O, right? Then
Yes.
O
To be.
to B. Then B to D. Then D.
Oh, you're saying that angle D is equal to the whole of angle D is
So you
equal
say the
to
whole of angle D,
the
which is
whole.
CDB, if you is opposite to this angle COB, which you are asked. Are you
Okay.
seeing that?
Yes.
And
Yes,
we
I am.
agreed
So
that
those two are supplementary.
those two are supplementary, which is this theorem here. It's
Yes.
clear, right?
Yes.
Then the last question, what are they saying?
Prove that AC is perpendicular to MD.
Prove that AC,
AC
yes,
is perpendicular to MD.
yes.